Sam, where are we going?
We are going to Bellevue, then Everett, then back through Seattle. Cool. And easier. Awesome. All right, we are ready to roll up.
Number 51 Quebec, safe park.
79.
51 Quebec, runway 32 right, cleared to land, and base south, runway 32 left. You do have a 737 about to depart the big runway.
Okay, cleared to land 32 right, and explain the base call again.
Always when we're ready.
413 Bravo, thanks. Number 51 Quebec, sorry, you said runway 32 right, cleared to land, I heard that, and did you have a question?
Yeah, well, there's some comment.
Number 51 Quebec, sorry, I was just saying base south of the big runway for departing traffic.
Copy that, south of base runway for, south of the big runway for turning base, one back.
All right, rolling up. In my head there for a second. Okay, there's our governor. Hold back. Clutch light. Clutch lights out.
Sportsman A deck go Victor, you parking west side?
Alright, doing low rotor RPM, low rotor horn.
5 Echo Victor, roger. Extend that one, I'll call your base.
Good there.
Express India 006 point tower.
Alright. Boeing Tower, helicopter 447 runway on Charlie at spot 8. Looking for a Seward departure with Oscar.
Good evening, Express India 006.
447 runway Charlie going tower, hold position will be a couple minutes.
Holding position 7 runway Charlie.
Express India 006 point tower, runway 32 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Way 32 left, full length, clear for takeoff, Express India. Five on Quebec, turn right when able, then contact ground, connect.
Quebec, big Phil.
Okay, I think we got this guy coming. Yeah, I figured that was gonna happen. Yeah. Yeah, and every time we get ready to take off, there's like...
Sportsman 5, Echo Victor, caution white turbulence, way 737 departure ahead, runway 32 left, clear to land.
always a lot of traffic.
Helicopter 7 runway Charlie, caution mark turbulence for that 737 departure. Spot 8 clear for takeoff. For now, fly northbound along Bravo. I'll call your eastbound turn.
Roger, fly northbound along Bravo, and you'll call my eastbound turn. 7 runway Charlie. All right, taking off.
Okay.
Taking up slow.
Yeah, we'll feel a little kickback from that.
Express India 006, contact South departure, safe flight.
120.4, confirm, Express India 6.
Express India 006, affirmative, 120.4.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Hold her right there for a minute. There you go.
Very much. Bridge getting another 44 ready?
I don't know, probably.
7 runway Charlie, you can resume the sewer departure.
Roger that. Resuming sewer departure, 7 runway Charlie. Thank you.
Number 5, Echo Victor, turn left enabled and contact ground.
Yeah, I heard he sold the yellow one that's in the hangar.
Oh, really?
That one's probably like a maintenance chopper, or the one that the guy bought, maybe.
Oh, gotcha. All right, go on to 900, passing through 5. Actually, I'll probably just go on up to 1,000.
Yeah, I might as well.
Yeah.
It's a decent little night flight. We'll have to kind of watch for the vapor situation out here.
Yeah. Yeah, I was noticing there's, Everett, there's only 4 degrees between the dew point. All right, passing through 9.
3211, Boeing Tower, are you ready?
Bellevue area traffic, helicopter, 7 Romeo Charlie, 1,100 feet, orbiting around Bellevue downtown, then heading west towards 520.
Helicopter 7 Romeo Charlie, still on the Boeing Tower frequency.
Oh, sorry about that, thank you.
Let's see where you're at.
That's not a bit calm up here.
Well, let's go. Try that. I got you on comm 2.
Oh, you got COM 2 on here?
I do now.
Okay, gotcha. I'm sorry, I was just hitting the switch.
I didn't think it was working.
Yeah. Bellevue area traffic, helicopter, 7 Romeo Charlie, gonna orbit around downtown at 1,200 feet, and then head west over the 520 bridge. That is absolutely gorgeous.
Can't complain.
helicopter 7 runway Charlie, go at the 520 bridge, 900 feet east to west. Washington area traffic, helicopter 7 runway Charlie, 800 feet westbound along 520 near the Husky Stadium, 7 runway Charlie. Traffic, helicopter 7 runway to Charlie, turning north up I-5 at 800 feet. High and wide.
We got time.
One mile final. .500 AGL. Start bleeding off some speed here. Cool part about
Corner 1, sure, Mike, left turn Alpha 4, contact ramp 18, good night.
Cool part about Paine is there's all kinds of places to auto.
Yep.
Alright, ETL's coming in. There it is. Beautiful. And we are on the go. Okay, so we already had the option for touch and go, and we're departing out to the coast, so we're good.
Good to go.
Paine Field, helicopter 7 Romeo Charlie on the upwind, gonna depart out to the coastline.
Helicopter 7 Romeo Charlie approved.
Roger, thank you. Approved, 7 Romeo Charlie. Sweet.
Yeah, I always feel like these guys are pretty nice up here.
They are.
Pretty helpful.
I actually really liked doing the lessons up here when I first started out. It was like low key.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool, all the Christmas lights on the boat.
It's pretty empty down there.
Yeah, it is. Surprisingly so.
Well, at least they don't have Christmas lights. It looks like it's a lot of empty slots.
Alright, gonna go down about 800, 900.
Sounds good.
Visual area traffic, helicopter 7 Romeo Charlie in the mouth of the locks, eastbound 900 feet. Locks are being worked on right below us, if you can see that. Not on your right side here. Okay, sorry, enough of that.
You're all good.
Okay, COM 1.
Yep, so you just flip into COM 1. You're on 1183.
So 37 Kilo Juliet Boeing Tower, the wind calm, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff, make right close traffic.
At Inner Bay.
All them here?
I'll do it, yeah.
Okay, orbit around.
Yep. Boeing Tower, code 447 Romeo Charlie at Inner Bay. Would like to cruise the shoreline with a quick orbit around Space Needle inbound while rebel spotted you.
447 Romeo Charlie Boeing Tower, approved as requested, altimeter 301 on report inbound for spotting.
Report inbound spot 8447 Romeo Charlie, approved as requested.
737 Kilo Juliet, cleared for takeoff, 32 right, close traffic.
Orbit around Seattle or Space Needle?
Needle, do you want to do the whole town?
Yeah,
So we got traffic departing 32 right at this time, we'll be remaining at 1,000 feet, so it's in the pattern.
I'll see if we can do that.
okay.
Boeing Tower, code 447 Romeo Charlie, can we amend the orbit to go around downtown?
So Romeo Charlie approved as requested.
447 approved as requested.
Sweet.
There you go.
Easy. Alright, so I'm going to keep it about 800 feet. Doing okay back there, Chen?
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Alright, so same drill as last time. Gonna split the stadiums, go around, and head back through here.
Sounds good. Oh, that's a little drone below us.
Oh, sure is.
What the heck? It's an Amazon drone. Delivering packages.
Kilo Juliet, there's a turn towards the downwind. There's traffic at Bellevue, 1,300 feet indicated. Helicopter, medevac.
Roger, we're looking 7 Kilo Juliet.
Airlift 3, the traffic just turned from crosswind to downwind. Cessna, 1,000 feet looking for you.
Boeing Tower, Norway 9283 Alpha. We just departed Brenton. We would like to transition airspace for a Skyline City Tour.
03 affirmative, that was the previous call traffic. Additional traffic 700 feet over the stadium's helicopter.
We say again for 9283 Alpha.
Cessna 7 Kilo Juliet, wind calm, runway 32 right, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 32 right, 7 Kilo Juliet.
9283 Alpha, Boeing Tower, transition approved, Boeing number 3019er.
Transition approved, 9283 Alpha.
Helicopter 7 runway Charlie, there's traffic, VA Hospital northwestbound 1,300 airlift helicopter.
Traffic sighted 701 Charlie. You know, I always mean to mount the camera towards the side, and I never do.
Well, you might have another chance someday.
Yeah.
33 Alpha, remain below the class Bravo airspace. I'm showing you 1,800 feet, AG below 1,700.
Setting down to 1,500, 93 Alpha.
83 Alpha, thanks. Going on to Miss 3019er.
Sorry, getting company here.
Center runway Charlie, previous called medevac helicopters descending into harbor view shouldn't be a factor.
470 Charlie.
Roger.
Alright, gonna start going down about 600 feet.
Funny, because someone wrote that there was little drones flying around on the chalkboard in there, and I thought it was a joke. Maybe that's real.
Yeah, it might be actually. Alright, here's my 6. Gonna maintain. Try it. Boy, they really cleared this place out.
Never 83 Alpha traffic, being the stadium is 500 feet on the shoreline, the helicopter, inbound.
Traffic inside, 9283 Alpha. 9283 Alpha, we can do some counterclock loops over this skyline.
83 Alpha approved as requested. Flight information Papa Knocker on wind calm, altimeter 3019.
Got you on the west side there.
Awesome, thanks. Alright, so same drill here. Go ahead.
Boeing Tower, Quebec 447 runway Charlie on the duometer from spot 8.
Yes, sir, Charlie, thanks for the duometer on spot 8, spot 8 clear land, the wind calm.
Good call.
447 runway Charlie, spot 8 clear.
Alright, so over the museum and then back up Bravo. Yep. See if I can do it a little slower this time. Alright, start bleeding off some speed.
drone out there flying around too. Right out in front of us under 12 o'clock.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
I'm sure that is.
Alright. Is there Rich still here?
No, it's what?
Got the wind right there. Not much wind, even at that. Yeah. Right here. Sweet. Alright, governor off. Pedals neutral. Friction's on.
So Kilo Juliet 1 com, runway 32 right, clear for the option.